Beef stir fry with ginger and scallion takes only 15 minutes to prepare. And follow this recipe below, which rivals any ginger and scallions beef stir fry from any Chinese restaurants. Now, this recipe is easy, but the flavor is addictive. Serve with a bowl of rice and will take you halfway to paradise. Below is a comprehensive list of tips to produce the best ginger and scallion beef stir fry. Now, many of these points are useful for stir fry in general. I strongly suggest you go through this section before attempting the recipe. Are you ready? Let's get started. The right way to cut the beef. Sirloin is best for stir fries, but you can use a cheaper cut of beef like flank steak if you want. The beef should be cut into small pieces for stir fries. This will allow it to cook within a very short time. Short cooking time will retain the juiciness, freshness, and flavor of the beef. Freeze it until the beef is partially frozen. Now the beef is firm enough to cut into thin slices. Cut the beef across the grain using the sharpest knife you have. The trick for successful beef stir fry is to slice the beef very thinly, cook on a very high heat in a very brief time. Here are the steps to marinate the beef. Slice the meat thinly against the grain. Combine the meat with oyster sauce, light soy sauce, sugar, vegetable oil, and corn flour. And then marinate it for at least 15 minutes and you are ready to go. Marinate the beef to enhance the flavor. A good marinade helps to tenderize and improve the flavor of the beef. The purpose of marinating the beef before stir frying is to ensure the flavor penetrates into the inner part of the meat. Use young ginger for ginger and scallion beef stir fry. Fresh young ginger has a tangy flavor, warm and mellow sweetness that complements the beef. Now, this is why this combination is so popular in Asian cooking. On the contrary, the old ginger has more fibers and less flavor. Use a sharp knife to slice the ginger thinly for stir frying. Separate the scallion into white and green section. Scallion is often used as aromatic in stir fry due to its unique Asian flavor. Cut the scallions into pieces about 4 to 5 cm in length. The white section is aromatic. Stir fry with the ginger during the initial stage. As for the green section, it cooks within seconds, so you can add it right before you finish stir frying. Make the sauce in advance to eliminate the unintentional error of omitting some components or using the wrong quantities. Oyster sauce. Light soy sauce, sugar, white pepper, corn flour, you can add a small amount of Shaoxing wine and sesame oil too, since these two items will lose their flavor over high heat. So do not mix with other seasoning, but add these two items separately when you are about finished stir frying. So much about the explanation. Now let's take a look at the actual stir frying process. Heat up some vegetable oil in a wok. Saute the slices of ginger over low heat until they turn fragrant, which takes about half a minute. Add the white section of the scallion. Stir fry for half a minute. Remove the ginger and scallion. Add the sliced beef. Turn up the heat a bit, stir and flip the beef quickly to avoid sticking on the surface of the wok. When the beef is just cooked, let the color change from pinkish to brown. Remove the beef. Add the seasonings. Cook until the sauce becomes translucent. That is when the corn flour is fully cooked. Add the beef back to the wok. Add the scallion. Stir fry over high heat for 15 seconds. Add the Sautéing wine. Add the sesame oil. Mix, dish out and serve. I've just shown you how to prepare the ginger and scallion beef stir fry. You can download the recipe and read more details at my blog, tasteasianfood.com beef stir fry. And please subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking the button below. You'll find there are many more similar Asian dishes out there. Thanks for joining me today, and I'll see you in the next video. My name is KB Kwan. Bye for now.